In this video, I am going to show you how to take a prompt on the Explore page of the Midjourney website and change it so that you can create something that you have in mind using that first prompt as a foundation and build on it. Check my previous video, Exploring Midjourney's AI Art Generator for Beginners. If you do not know how to use Midjourney, there is a link to it in the comments section. I decided to pick this picture of a plate of shrimp. When you click the image, you see the prompt: professional food photography, grilled seafood shrimp with lemon and spices, soft pastel, lots of copy space, portrait aspect, version 6. Choose the copy prompt button and go to Discord. Once in Discord, start typing /imagine and hit enter, and in the prompt input window, paste the prompt that you copied from the Midjourney website. Hit enter and wait for that image to be generated. Meanwhile, let's change this prompt into something a little bit different. Type /imagine and in the prompt window, paste that prompt again, but let's try to change it a bit. I ultimately want this prompt to say, hyper-realistic, lifelike Michelin Star food, grilled seabass fillet, scallops, samphire, mussel sauce with white wine, squid ink dots, award-winning food photography. Here are a few settings that you can add at the end: R16:9 to generate landscape images, V6.0 for version 6, S750 for better style, Chaos 20 to add randomness and style raw. The first image of shrimp is now fully generated. You can enlarge it a few times by clicking this image once, then clicking Open in Browser and clicking the image again will enlarge it again. You can now close all these and get back to the previous tab. As you can see, our customized prompt is still at 0% above the shrimp prompt. Once generated, I will walk you through all the different options and what you can do with them. The prompt to generate the hyper-realistic piece of sea bass on a plate of other seafood delicacies has now fully generated the image. It all looks good, and when I enlarge the image, apart from the samphire not being recreated as faithfully, it looks more like rosemary. One of those 4 variants looks better than the others. I think the top right image, U2, is the best of the 4, and I am going to enlarge it. I created a video only a couple of days ago to show how Midjourney works, and today they introduced a whole new set of settings to the interface. More exactly, 9 more buttons: Vary, Region, which will allow you to drag a region of the image with your mouse to recreate a completely new image of only that very portion. Zoom out 2 times and zoom out 1.5 times, which are self-explanatory. Custom zoom, which can be given a value between 1.0 and 2.0. Make square will crop the image to a square. Then there are 4 arrow buttons: left, right, up, and down. When you click one of those arrows, the system will create a panorama in the direction of said arrow. Let's now try and recreate another image from the Explore page of the Midjourney's website. Let's copy the prompt for this image of an aquarelle painting with abstract shapes in black and emerald green on a white background, and return to Discord. Type /imagine and paste the prompt into the prompt window. For this example, I changed green emerald into royal blue and here is the resulting image. It's pretty different from the original, as the original art looked like it had a Japanese character thrown in. Sometimes, creators only give out a partial prompt to avoid being copied too much. From now on, I will be showing you 4 more prompts that I found on the internet to show you a wide range of the kinds of images that can be generated. Note that since the arrival of version 6, you can now ask Midjourney to insert words into the images created. In the prompt of this example, I asked Midjourney to use the word empty, and I made sure to insert it between 2 double quotation marks. That way the word is then reproduced into the images. In this final example, I generated iPhone mock-ups, and you can use those for your website or social media to promote your web design or other marketing material. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be alerted to our future video releases. Also, give us a thumbs up if you like this content.